Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today I will walk you through the process of creating a new Laravel project using XAMPP. Let's get started. First, open a XAMPP. Make sure you have already XAMPP installed on your computer. If not, download it from the official Apache Friends website and install it. Check the Apache and MySQL. We need to Apache to serve our project and MySQL in case we connect to the database later. Next, we will open a command prompt inside the htdocs folder because this is where all our projects will be stored. So XAMPP htdocs, double click the directory and cmd for the command prompt. Before creating a Laravel project, make sure Composer is installed. Type Composer space -v and press enter. If you see a version number, that means Composer is working correctly. If not, you will need to install Composer first from the getcomposer.organization. Now, let's create our Laravel project. In the command prompt, type the following command: Composer project Laravel #Laravel space activity 1. In my case, activity 1 is the name of my project. This command will install Laravel and create a new project inside the htdocs directory. This process may take a few minutes because Composer is downloading all the necessary packages and depending that Laravel needs to run. This includes the Laravel framework itself, helper libraries, and third-party tools. So don't worry if this takes sometimes, it's normal. We just have to wait until the percentage is reaches 100%. Once the installation is complete or done, you will see a new folder called Activity 1 inside the htdocs directory. And that will be our Laravel project. So in this case, we have to open the directory first. So cd, we have to type cd space the name of our project, which is Activity 1, then enter. So we are having now the directory of our project. Then next, php space artisan serve. This will start the server and give us a local address using http, etc. Copy that address and open it in your browser. You should see the default Laravel welcome page. This means our project is running successfully. We will copy the link in the Google Chrome, and when it's prompt the Laravel homepage, it means the project is successfully running. So there it is, the Laravel page. So we have successfully created the project. Okay, now in Visual Studio Code, after we open it, we have to find or open the folder of our project created in the CMD. So activity 1, it's under XAMPP, docs, and activity 1. So there it is, the activity 1. Now, inside the routes folder, open the web.php file. And then you can see there the simple test route I just created. I just copied the text above and then change it hello. This tells that Laravel, when we visit #hello, it should be load a view called hello. Now we go to the resources, the views, and then create a new file called hello.blade web.php. Inside this file, add some simple HTML. Just HTML for your own design. I just copied a simple HTML design. This design will appear when we visit the routes. Now, go to the Chrome. You should see the custom page we just created. HTTP and after that hash hello, and then here the hello parts come from the route we created earlier inside web.php. In this section, that's where our designs comes from. The text, colors, and layouts that you can see in the browser are exactly what we wrote inside the Blades file. So the design isn't automatic, it's coming directly from the HTML and CSS code we place inside the Blade template. Okay, now I give you the quick explanation of the main Laravel folders and their important files. First, we have routes. As you can see, there is a subfolders. The routes folder is where we can define all the routes of our applications. Web.php is for browser routes, API is for API endpoints, console.php is for artisan commands, and channels.php is for broadcasting routes. Next is app. The folder of app, we have the app, okay, and under the app we have the HTTP folder, and then under that we have the another folder, controllers, and this is where the logic of the systems lives. Controllers handles requests and responses. For instance, a user controller.php might process login or profile features. Then we have app also, and then under that we have the models, the folder models. These files represent database tables. A model like user.php, as you can see, connects directly to the user's tables and makes database interactions easier. After that folder, we go onto the resources. Resources, and then under that we have the view folder. Okay, and this folder contains the Blade templates, which are basically the front-end files. For example, welcome.blade.php is what you're seeing in the screen is Laravel's default homepage. It's the sample of the default HTML. And next is, lastly, the database. And under that, we have the folder migrations. And this folder stores the database blueprints. Each migration file tells Laravel how to create or update tables, such as create user table.php file. So to summarize, routes or entry points, controllers handle logic, models manage data, views display the UI, and migrations defines the database structure. As easy as that. And that's the Laravel folders structure in a nutshell. And that's it. You have successfully created a new Laravel project, run it in your own local server, and built it your first custom page. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you get started with Laravel. And that's it. We have successfully created a new Laravel project using XAMPP, added a custom route, and displayed our own Blade view in the browser. To summarize, we started by installing Laravel inside the htdocs folder and created a new route in web.php, and finally designed our page inside a Blade template file. When we opened the browser, Laravel connected everything together to show up as the result. This is the beginning. You can now explore more routes, controllers, and views to build complete web applications with Laravel. Thank you for watching.